right, hello everybody. Today we're going to be talking about Descartes' conception of the self. So, famously, Descartes has the phrase "Cogito Ergo Sum," or "I think, therefore I am." Many people who hear the word philosophy often really associate it with this phrase. I think, therefore. So Descartes, like many philosophers, is really concerned with truth and with knowing truth. He formulates this idea that the only way to potentially get to truth is to doubt everything that is doubtable. So then the question we could ask is, what is doubtable? And it actually might be kind of hard for us to think about this. What is doubtable? What can we doubt? What can we be unsure of? And if you think about it, it really seems like really everything is doubtable. More often than not, the way that we know something is through our senses. In order to experience the world, in order to experience other people, in order to learn in general, I need to mediate that information through my senses. I have to see it, smell it, taste it, touch it, hear it. However, we all know that our senses are not very reliable. I'm sure we've all had times where we saw something that wasn't there, or maybe we didn't see something that was there. Same with hearing and smell and taste and touch, right? We've all had phantom senses. We've all been tricked by our senses. And because our senses are not reliable, because they can, mislead us, that means they're doubtable. They're doubtable as means of accessing the truth. They're doubtable as means of accessing reality. I mean, take a second. Think about it. Look at the space that you're in right now. Select an object, any object. I've got this water bottle here next. How do I know that this actually exists? Yes, I can feel it. Yes, I can feel how cold it is. I can drink it. I can taste it, whatever. I can see it. But it's possible that this is just an illusion. It's possible that I'm making this up, and actually on this video I'm not really holding anything. Think about your lived experiences. Think about your memories. Are your memories correct? Kind of, right? You miss details, you forget things. So what can we rely on? What can we use to actually know something like truth if our senses, if our memories, if our faculties can betray us? I mean, is it even possible to prove that the way that you're existing right now is actually the way things are? You know, how do you know that you're not just dreaming? How do you know that this isn't all just like a computer simulation, like the Matrix or something? There's really no way for us to verify our lived and experienced reality with our senses. We can't use them to be sure that what we're experiencing and knowing is true, because we could be under a spell. We could be, a brain in a jar being tricked by a mad scientist with electrical stimulation. We have no way of verifying, according to Descartes, the truth and reality through our physical senses. Now, while Descartes can doubt, and while we can doubt if we exist in this way, in this situation, in this scenario, we can't doubt if we actually exist as individuals. I can doubt your existence. I don't know if you exist or not, but I can't really doubt my own existence because I'm the one doing the doubting. And so if I doubted my own existence, that would mean that I didn't exist. It's kind of a logical contradiction. So for Descartes, the only thing that he can actually prove exists is himself, his internal self, his mind. That's where cogito ergo sum, I think, therefore I am, comes into play. Descartes believes the fact that he is rationalizing, the fact that he is thinking, even if he can't prove that this reality that we're experiencing is real, the fact that he's thinking proves that he is real. He exists. Even if it's not in this particular way, even if he's being tricked, even if it's all an illusion, he actually exists. He thinks, therefore he is. Now, this has a lot of implications. For Descartes, that means that your self is essentially your rational mind. That's the only thing that you can really actually prove. Your body could be an illusion. Your physical embodiment is not provable. So it is not essential. So then your essential self is actually the thinking self, not the physical self. And that means that the thinking self is the real self. Your mind is who you are, according to Descartes. All right, so what do y'all think about this? Can you only prove your existence? Are you the only thing that is not doubtable? And is your essential self your mind? Or are you something else? Are you a soul? Are you a form? Are you a nexus of four causes? Or maybe you're something else entirely? I look forward to hearing y'all's comments and thoughts about this.